Miami Gardens house fire that led to this air rescue of a patient to an area hospital was started by this.
Mira eso.
A robot vacuum.
El Roomba.
The charred remains seen here.
Increíble.
That's according to the patient's grandfather, Jesus Valdez, who says
La batería de litio explotó.
that the device's lithium battery exploded, burning the furniture.
Se formó el incendio. Eso fue lo que pasó.
No me digas. Showing us these pictures of the fire and smoke damage to the home's living room, where he says his 20-year-old grandson,
Enfermo con el COVID.
sick with COVID, was resting. The respiratory virus paired with smoke inhalation, he said, prompting this air transport.
Se está recuperando.
And while thankfully recovering, Jesus can't believe the damage. An unsafe structure notice posted to the window. He said maybe like you.
Un carro, un Tesla.
He's heard of Tesla battery fires found in a range of consumer devices. UL Standards and Engagement says fires caused by lithium-ion batteries burn fast.